Hey, so remember last week I told you guys about my day to make you feel better? Well, let me tell you about today because it's been a week since the last time we caught up. As y'all know, I had the 2020 special, okay? But today is day 14, and so I'm still not feeling good. I was like, honey, I think something is still going on. So last night, which I forgot yesterday was New Year's Day, it's not like I was doing anything, I called urgent care at 5:01, and I was like, hey, your website says you're open until 9. Are you guys open? And they said no, because it's New Year's. They actually had closed at 5, and I was like, that's okay. When do you open? Because I will be there first thing in the morning when you open. Oh, wow. Wake up, and my aunt is in town. You know, that aunt that comes to visit every month, she's in town. And I was like, all right, great, you know, whatever. Today is off to a great start. So I get up, I go to Dunkin'. While I'm at Dunkin', I'm getting my coffee, and the girl, are you in the shower? What are you doing? Do you want the tiara? Yeah. Nana wanted mommy to wear that on my wedding day. Oh, you look so pretty. Oh, so pretty.
Happy.
Oh, you're happy? So I'm up and about, okay? I stop at Dunkin', and I see my favorite person working at Dunkin'. Her name is Alicia. She's so cool. Honestly, I consider her a friend now. She probably just thinks that I'm a stranger that comes to Dunkin' every day. But anyways, I saw her, and she's like, oh, I saw online that you got that 2020 special. And I was like, yeah, I'm actually going to urgent care now because I think something else is going on. So I get my coffee. I go to urgent care. The same nurse that I saw last week walks in. She's like, hi, Carissa. I'm the nurse that saw you last week. I see you're still not doing well. I was like, yeah, I remember you. Yeah, something's going on. There's a lot of green stuff, and I don't know. Something's going on. She says, okay, this is the plan. She gives me the plan. We conclude that it is most likely a sinus infection, okay? So she sends me on my way to CVS. I get to CVS, I give them my name. And then a nice gentleman, I believe his name was, what was his name? His name was Jeff. Jeff comes out, he's like, hey Carissa, do you post videos on TikTok? I was like, yeah, I do. And he was like, the girls that work back here, they recognize you, and one of them wants to say hi and take a picture. Is that okay? And I was like, yeah, that's fine. So the girl comes out. She was so nice, and we took a picture together. And then I looked at her, and I just remembered what I looked like, and I was like, I know that I don't look good in that photo. So if that photo ever sees the light of day, it's not gonna be good. Anyways, so I get my stuff, and then I go on my way, and that brings us to now. And honestly, I feel good. I feel a lot better than I have felt. Oh, what are you doing? Don't touch that. Don't touch that. And then where did you get a lemon? Where did you get the lemon? Okay. So now that I am back home, I think I feel the best that I have in 14 days. And yeah, so starting off the new year strong, okay? And that's pretty much my day. Better than when I talked to y'all a week ago. So I will talk to y'all later, and love y'all, bye. Seriously, where did you get that lemon?